What up, everybody? It's your boy, Master Chef Freddie Cole. That's BRM in the background with his new album, God's Goons. God's Goon. Go get that. But what we about to do, we about to get into some smoothies with Chef Petey Nature, a.k.a. Freddie Cole. Now, I mean, subscribe to my YouTube, because there's going to be a lot of stuff like this popping up on my YouTube, for real. We get ready to get into that cooking segment of Cooking with Petey Nature on my YouTube channel, you feel me? So, subscribe to my YouTube. Let's go. I already got some mise en place, you feel me? This was some bananas from the cheesecakes, some mango from the cheesecakes. So, we're just going to get this started. I already got some strawberries in here, but I'm going to add some more, you feel me? So let's go ahead and get started. So that's a little bananas. Go ahead and get all this mango up in here. As much fruits and vegetables as you can put in your smoothie, that's what you want to do, you feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and drop some more strawberries in here. And all I want to hear is BRM right now, so I might stop just in case the next song not BRM, just to put it back on BRM, you feel me? Hey. And YouTube, I got permission from BRM to play his music. Matter of fact, before y'all silence me, if y'all silence me, just give him in the opportunity to go on my YouTube and put that he gave me permission, because he will do it. Hey, 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 hey. That's that right there called Rap Addict. Yeah, go and get that. This pop off right here. So yeah, so I added some more strawberries. And y'all join me on my health challenge, man. I'm determined. I'm gonna lose 40 pounds for real. And if you wanna know about TLC, that's helping. The IOCT is definitely helping too. So I got a website you can go to, and there's many products that can help you stay healthy and lose weight. We make no medical claims, but there's plenty of testimonies about the company TLC, which stands for Total Life Changes, you feel me? Alright, so I got bananas in there, mangoes that was already pureed up. I just added some strawberries. We're gonna add some wheatgrass. Yeah. And let me read that for you. You know what I mean? Raw plant-based nutrition. You feel me? Hey, whole food supplement. And if you don't know about wheatgrass, so when I'm done and it's green, this is why. I'm about to pop. I'm just gonna put 2. Smoothies. This is just gonna replace a meal, so I don't have to eat meat or anything like that. This is gonna replace a meal. So we're gonna add some frozen strawberries. So I don't have to add that much ice, you feel me? I might not even add ice at all. Oh yeah. I shop at Walmart. Plug. Y'all see that Walmart? Plug. Pop. I'm about to pop. Hey. almond milk. You see that? Y'all plug me in, Walmart. Let's go. Let's get another BMO hot song going on. This is Take a Good Look. We playing BRM, baby. Y'all gonna get this new album. Last but not least, other than the ice, aloe, 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 water, aloe, 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 water. I get this from Walmart too. Let's go. And if it's too thin, I'm gonna add some ice. That's thick enough. So I don't need no ice. I don't need to add no more almond milk. I don't need to add no more aloe water. That's perfect. Look at that. And that's Smoothies with your boy, Master Chef Freddie Cole, also known as your boy Petey Nature, also known as your boy Mr. Keep It 1000 with you. Y'all tune in to my show, Cooking with Petey Nature, every Sunday, 7 p.m. Yeah, on the Unified Reach Network. Yeah. www.blogtalkradio.com/Orlando Presents with a Z. And if y'all want to go to my TLC website, so you look at the wonderful products, the Iosa tea and all of that, it's www.totallifechanges.com/Petey Nature. And the correct way to spell Petey Nature is Petey Nature, Nature. So it's www.totallifechanges.com/Petey Nature. And make sure you register as a customer, so that way when you're ready to order, you get them discounts. You feel me? And it's free. It's free to register as a customer. So let's get it popping, man. Let's get this good health flowing, so we can live longer. Do you know what I mean? Do great things with our family, friends, most importantly our kids, man. We want to be around to see our kids prosper and grow and make it through school. You feel me? And I'm just thankful that my oldest son, Emmanuel Hoshe Cole, aka Big E, shout out to him. He's going to school to study to be a chef. And this the last BRM song right here we're gonna play. This fire. So it was mango. So I used a little bit of bananas, mango, strawberries, blueberries, almond milk, and aloe water, man. And the aloe water I used was leche. And I get all these products from Walmart. Plug me in. Let's go. Cooking with Petey Nature, live TV on Petey Nature TV. Yeah, yeah. Hey, shout out to Elena Hanna. Stay in his face with Elena Hanna. Hey, shout out to Mama Teresa. In the spotlight with Teresa Hanna. Hey, shout out to my pastor. Shout out to my pastor. Apostle Kenny Smith. Practical principles of kingdom living. All these shows on the Unified Reach Network and also on AEG Radio Network. And shout out to Mama Wanda Monet. The Wanda Monet Urban Radio Show. We just a family that love Yahuwah, man. And we're going to keep doing what we do. Making smoothies with Petey Nature. And I'm gone, man. This is Cooking with Petey Nature. Live on my YouTube channel. Petey Nature TV. Hey. Oh, yeah. Shout out to Kingdom Keys Network. And I'm gone.